Hello, sir, brother. Today our topic is what is protection class IP40. It is a protection class before a design any instrument. What kind of a protection means environmental protection and other temperature, pressure, what kind of a pressure will be exerted, what type of a voltage is utilized on it. It does to be used in underwater or a waterproof. These types of protection is designed before any objective or any device is utilized on electrical. What kind of a protection has been required on it? Protection from a high pressure water jet from any direction. Protect from a long term of a intermission up to a specific pressure IP. Protect from a tools in small wires greater than a 1 millimeter. Not protect from a liquids. This protection is IP40 is not protect from a liquid. IP40 is an IP rating is an ingressive protection rating. In each IP rating there are two numbers each within their own meaning. In IP40 the four indicated the amounts of protection from a foreign body and the moving object, also known as the instruction protection. Some people are thinking about that the IP40 is a protected or a not protected. What IP rating is a waterproof? For any enclosure, the typical waterproof IP rating are IP67 or IP66 and ip65. Enclosure the chart below given in a specification of these rating means the how they are measured water protected by a nozzle 6.3 mm against the enclosure from any direction. Small have a no harmful effect on that. Different IPs are used in that type of on a different IPs are utilized on a different protective devices. We are discussing about the IP65. IP65 enclosure IP rating is a dust tights and the protective nozzle of IP66 enclosure and the IP rating is the dust tighted and the protect against the heavy seas and the powerful jets of water. IP68 enclosure IP related is in dust and protective against the complete continuously of a submission in a water. If the IP68 is safe for swimming, means IP64 is utilized on a shipping or not. In a short, IP68 rating does not have a phone, cannot be wished with a stand of a water dust and the degree of which has been dust to you ultimately defined by a manufacturing check the specification of a page and the device's manufacturing website on your smartphone can be handled before you to swimming. This means IP68. If have a simple example about that, if it is required for any phone or anything which has, if for example you take a phone in a swimming water and then will be not water is affected on a phone or not. These type of IPs has been means in browser pressure points has been this. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and and please subscribe and support me. Thank you. If you require any topic about that protection or any devices, I will provide knowledge as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video.